Have you noticed the direct selling trend? Get 3, 4, even 5 people to sign up, and you get a bunch of free stuff. But after following a ton of easy steps such as these, the next thing you know, this opportunity starts looking like some crazy math equation. I know, I was overwhelmed too. I mean, where do you begin? It's frustrating. But wouldn't it be great if it didn't have to be this way? Guess what? It doesn't. And none of this 5 to 3 friends to get free things. Simply sign up to preferred customers and you get $50 cash, 10 free samples to give out to prospects. Plus, you ready? The ability to repeat this promotion indefinitely. I know. That's when I started listening too. Let me repeat that. That's free endless samples to give out, free product for you, and cash forever. Here, and let me show you what that looks like. And that's when I got excited too. So, how's this even possible? No gimmicks. Just a plain and simple business plan backed by very simple math. Don't take my word for it. Google it. It turns out, after doing an online search, the mastermind behind all this was in fact an advanced mathematician. This is genius, because this is a rock-solid lucrative comp plan unlike any other. Here are the details. Sign up 2 preferred customers, and they automatically are placed as one on your left and one on your right. At that moment, you will get $50 plus 2 bottles of serum for yourself, while 60 points go up upline, which makes you monthly qualified. Now, for every 2 thereafter, they are placed one left, one right, and you immediately get your $50 bonus. But now, you get 10 free sample serums with marketing postcards for you to share. 60 points continue to still go upline, and here's the best part. Repeat this forever. So let's talk who. Behind all this is an innovative $100 million business shipping to over 84 countries. The name is Jeunesse. Their products have a 3-part youth enhancement system. Yes, it's now possible to look younger and actually get paid doing it. Forever. Leaders in stem cell technology, the science is proven. Hence the shipping to over 84 countries. Now, if you are like me, I'm not a salesperson, and I've struggled building my downline jumping from other companies. Until now, and this plan could not be any more basic. Get free product, give away free samples, make money, repeat. Forever. Those 4 reasons alone have made Jeunesse the real deal, because they have given me the simplest, easiest direct sales plan available anywhere. For more information, talk to the person that sent you this video, or go online to JeunesseForever.com. They will help you succeed just like me. Since my time is valuable, I need simple. And this is as simple as it gets. Join me.